Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Aminulchem Innovation. This video is for those who face problem in developing the writing style. You can easily develop or improve your writing using InstaText. So, in order to do that, you have to first log in with InstaText. Let us start. For example, I already created an account and now I am going to log in. Continue. Now, if you paste your text, then it will be improved to a greater extent. For example, I have already copy a text. Now I am pasting here. So this is the text which is written by my own. Now I will improve that text using insert text. So after pasting, then if you click here, see the text has been improved to a greater extent. Now you can copy this and improved text can be directly uh, pasted to your MS Word. So this is how you can easily improve your writing or text using InstaText. And the important thing is this is free for a certain period. Thanks for watching. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation. Like, comment, share for new update.